Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income online. This is when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. In this video, we will discuss essential steps you need to follow to master affiliate marketing as a beginner. Before diving into affiliate marketing, it is essential to choose the right affiliate program for you. Look for products or services relevant to your niche and that you genuinely believe in. The commission percentage is also an important factor to consider. Choose a program that is reputable and that provides affiliates with marketing materials to help them promote the products effectively. Without quality content, it will be difficult to promote products and make sales. Create content that provides value to your audience and is related to the products you are promoting. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or even email marketing campaigns. Promotion is a crucial part of mastering affiliate marketing. There are several ways you can promote affiliate products, such as creating comparison charts, product reviews, and offering bonuses. It is important to be transparent about your affiliate links and disclose that you will earn a commission for any sales made through your link. Tracking your results and analytics is crucial in measuring the success of your affiliate marketing campaigns. Use tools like Google Analytics or Buy Analytics software that comes with the affiliate program to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. This helps you understand what works and what doesn't and allows you to adjust strategies accordingly. Affiliate marketing can be an excellent way to earn passive income online. By choosing the right affiliate program, creating quality content, promoting products effectively, tracking your results and analytics, you can master affiliate marketing as a beginner. Remember to be patient as it takes time to build trust and earn commissions from your affiliate links.